Merry Christmas. I'm recording on Christmas Day, but you'll see it on 26th. And yeah, if you haven't seen this video, this one, you can check that out. And yeah, today we're going to be unboxing this Tomica Premium Lamborghini Diablo SV. Came in this lovely packaging. And you can take the box out, obviously. Oh, and I'll take the box out anyway. So here it is. Here's the box. It's got blah blah blah, all the pictures of the car. So it came in film, but I took it off. Here's the car with the bag. Right. Oh yeah, and I got this turntable for Christmas as well. Well, I know I'm late for this, but yeah, I got it on Christmas Day. So this is very detailed with the black venting. If you zoom in a little bit, you'll be able to kind of see fog lights down there. There's the indicator, and there's a Lamborghini badge there, but you can't really see it. It's got the SV wheels, but there's no suspension. Very detailed. Back there's the brake lights and the indicator, and the rear fog lights, and the first light, and the exhaust details. This is plastic. They got it quite right. Looks like it's a metal one, isn't it? Got that from Drifter. Shout out to you. It's got opening doors. Opening scissor doors, and yeah, this is the car with the scissor doors up. It's very nice. Yep, very nice. And the base is here. This lever is for the pop-up headlights. I'll show you in a second. All the lines and stuff are very correct. So let's open the headlights. I mean, boom. Wow. It has the silver light in there. Very nice, and it also comes with the Testarossa as well. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.